our winner of the TSPROF Pioneer. Here we go. It's Joanna Shows. Congratulations, Joanna. You are the winner of our TSPROF Pioneer. Great job. And let's take a look at see what your comments were. Let me pause this so I'm not talking. Start with a navy apron mic in the middle of a gray shirt. Change to a white USA t-shirt. Moved ceramic knife from hand to hand. You got that. That was a big one. Camera angle zooms in and out. Dark apron removed. Mic moved to the top of the shirt. Mic moved to the top of a USA shirt. Glasses off. Change apron with white strap. Uneven bib top mic to move the apron. Glasses put back on. Dog in glasses. Dog in background, change positions and colors. You got things that I probably didn't even intend to do, but that's awesome. Congratulations, Joanne. And the bonus gift, and the only thing I'm not sure if you totally picked up on, but it was would have been super difficult, but you noticed, was that my glasses change was actually a different pair of glasses. One had a slight black rim and one didn't. But I'm giving you the bonus prize anyway, Joanne. It's going to be a personally engraved Mora knife from me to you. Congratulations, Joanne, on being the winner of the TSPROF. I will get that, or I'm sorry, I keep calling you Joanne. It's Joanna. Congratulations, Joanna, and we will get that out to you as soon as possible. Here we go. Down here, I have my little 1x30 section that I've shown before. I have kept that by the door. And the reason for it, I want to be able to open the garage doors sometimes when it's nice out and just sharpen. And then I can blow dust and stuff out that direction. So that is where that is for right now. Over here, I think I'm going to I have to find something to put them on, but I believe I'm going to put my ultrasonic cleaners here. I've decided to move my Tormex. So I'm still going to keep them on the toolboxes. I like my setup for that, but I am going to change my Japanese Waterstone one, and I'm probably going to put it on top of that filing cabinet that used to be for a printer. It was going to be for my computers, as I talked about before, but I couldn't get a good wireless signal there, so I had to move the computers over to the corner. I am moving my Tormex to the center of the room. It'll be a great spot to work with them. I'll have plenty of room, and that's where the main two are going to be for now, are going to be here in the center. And I'm thinking of bringing my indoor-outdoor carpet piece that I had back over for them. I kind of like to slide them around. I was using what they call those little moving men sliders before. I have ones that are just like for felt, and they work okay on this cement floor, but I really like how well the plastic ones work on the indoor-outdoor carpet. And I'm just going to bring my indoor-outdoor carpet piece back over here and put it right in the middle of the room. It's also nice because it does catch some of the metal dust. Falls down, gets kind of caught in the carpet, and that's just a good way to keep the dust and things down. So let's come over here real quick, and I'll show you the polishing station. I have moved to the front of the garage on the left side. It's also where I'm going to keep my scissor sharpeners. And I like this idea because it's going to give me the ability to also, again, open the garage doors and just work when it is nice and blow more dirt and dust and stuff that comes off. Because that's the messiest job right there, is the polishing station, is the dirtiest of stuff that I do. Then this entire side is now laser engravers, except for the room air conditioner, which I did hook back up. It's doing a pretty decent job for now, but as I mentioned before, I am considering doing a mini split in here at some point in time. So here's the 20 watt X-Tool F1. Here's the 40 watt X-Tool F1. And the thing I've been using the absolute most is the F1 Ultra Fiber Laser. I have a new video I will be releasing tomorrow of some knives that I just did. So keep your eyes out for that video. It will be releasing very soon, most likely tomorrow, because it is shot and edited and ready to go. So Joanna, get me your information. I know you're a member of the guild, so if you want to reach me through the guild, that's totally fine. You can send me a message through the guild. Also, give some thought about what you want on your Mora knife, and I will get that engraved for you and send it along with your TSPROF that you won. Congratulations again. Also, a reminder, I wanted to let Ken know, I haven't forgot about you, Ken. I do also owe Ken an engraved Mora knife as well. I have his Mora knife ready to go. Ken had a very specific engraving that he wanted, so it's going to take a little bit more time for Ken's knife. It wasn't just simply like putting a name on a knife or anything, but Ken wasn't in a rush, which was great. So I appreciate everybody hanging with me while I'm doing the garage switch up and change and movement of shops, but things are going pretty well. The one other thing I am going to be installing is a pull down extension cord on a reel. So that's how I'm going to use the Tormex, and then I can kind of push them out of the way or wherever I want them when I'm working. And I am moving my 2x42 back to this toolbox, and that will be here in the middle too. So it's going to be 1x30s and ultrasonic cleaners over here. This is just my complete mess table of things I'm trying to get straightened out. That will eventually be going away. I still need to hang my air cleaner. Eventually I'll get that done. And then this whole side is all laser engraving stuff, but it's coming along good. Oh, and let me not forget this little section here. So over here is all the things that I use for laser engraving products, cutting boards, acrylics, anything that has to do with engraving and products is up here. This is all where I'm going to use my TSPROFs. So my TSPROF KO3 Hunter is set up right here on the table, as you can see. Oh, and I'm going to do a video on this too. My buddy Jeff Moore, who's the knife maker, was just in the other day. In fact, he's one of my customers that brought me a bunch of knives. These are all knives that Jeff made. So that's one that I got to get to. And then I got 2 other jobs over here, and 1, 2, 3 there on the floor. So about 5 jobs. So I'm not bad for a Tuesday on the first day open, 5 jobs coming in. And I did on Monday, I did 2. So it's been great. It's like kind of working its way back up. I have a feeling by the end of the week, I'm going to be back to regular full bore 7, 8 people dropping off per day. The word is kind of getting out about the new location, and we'll see how that goes. So thank you for bearing with me during this time of change. I know there hasn't been as many videos, and I apologize to those of you who have sent questions. If I haven't gotten back to them, it's just, as you can see, I am crazy busy with trying to get the shop set up and going. And I am also still in the process of selling the other house. So I actually sold 2 houses and bought one while all this was going on. So you want to talk about crazy? I moved, am selling 2 houses and bought one. The 2 sales are still coming up, so they should be settling in October. And then hopefully after that, life should get back to some type of normalcy, and I can focus solely on the channel sharpening and the normal business stuff that we typically do around here. But that's it for now. Look for that video. It's a laser video tomorrow, lasering some knives with a fiber laser. It's going to be pretty cool. And I'm going to show you some interesting things about logos and a problem I had to overcome with the logo that I was sent for this particular laser engraving job. And that's it for now. Have a great day, everybody. And once again, congratulations, Joanna. Really happy to see that you won the TSPROF.